Hello everyone. Now we start with the HTML basics today. So I'm discussing about HTML basics and my name is Miss Surbhi Saroha. First of all, what is HTML file? HTML is a format that tells a computer how to display a web page. The documents themselves are plain text files with special tags or codes that a web browser uses to interrupt and display information on your computer screen. So we have tags in HTMLs, and the work is done like the codes are implemented or executed on web browser. And web browser, you already know, are like example of web browser is Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, and many more. Then what does HTML stands for? They say HTML stands for hypertext markup language, and an HTML file is a text file containing small markup tags. So this is very important. In HTML we use tags. So the markup tag tell the web browser how to display the page. So this markup tells how the browser, that how the page would be displayed. Then an HTML file must have an HTM or HTML file extension. This is very important. The extension, right? The page would be saved with whatever name you want to give. .htm or .html should be the file extension of the page when you are going to save your HTML page. And we all know that the coding is done in the notepad. So next, this is example of the coding part of HTML, how you write it. This is the whole syntax of it. Like first of all, the HTML tag, these are the tags in a greater than and less than signs in between. So this is HTML tag. They're followed by head tag. Head tag gets afterwards closed, but there after the head tag immediately there is a title tag in which my first web page is written. So whatever is written in between the both title tags would be displayed on the topmost of your website or web page. First of all, we are making a page. Then this is a head tag. Then body is there. In the body part you are writing, this is my first home page. So whatever you write in the body, you do formatting and all, that appears on the page. Then B is for bold. So this B tag is there for bold, and then closing the tag immediately. Similarly, body gets closed, and finally HTML tag gets closed. Then we discuss about HTML or HTML extension. So this is when you save an HTML file, you can use either the .htm or .html extension. This we have already discussed. The .htm extension comes from the past, when some of the commonly used software only allowed 3-letter extension. So earlier it was .htm, but as I say in the next point, it is perfectly safe to use either .html or .htm, but we consistent .mypage.htm and mypage.html are treated as different files by the browser. Now just they have said the browser will treat both the extensions separately, but you may use both, so no issue in that. So when you save your file, you use either .htm or .html. Thank you, students. Thank you all for listening so so sincerely. Thank you, and have a nice day.